Welcome to our video about the 5 best wet-dry vacuum cleaners and mops to buy in 2023. We've done the hard work for you and narrowed down the best options for you to choose from. Whether you're looking for a small, lightweight cleaner for tight spaces or a heavy-duty machine for big messes, we've got something for everyone. So let's jump in and take a look at the top 5. The Bissell CrossWave Cordless Max All-in-One Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner and Mop for hard floors and area rugs is a powerful and versatile cleaning device. It is designed to quickly and effectively vacuum and mop both hard surfaces and area rugs. It has a cordless design for maximum maneuverability and portability. It comes with a powerful motor and 2 separate tanks for both wet and dry messes. It also comes with a brush roll that is optimized for both hard floors and area rugs. Additionally, the CrossWave Cordless Max offers multiple cleaning modes and a removable brush roll for easy cleaning and maintenance. It also has a long-lasting battery and multiple accessories to help make cleaning easier. The Eureka AllinOne Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner and Mop is a revolutionary 2-in-1 cleaner designed to tackle any surface of your home, from hard floors to area rugs. It features a lightweight design and a self-cleaning system, making it easy to use and maintain. The cordless design makes it ideal for use in multiple locations, and its powerful suction ensures that all types of dirt and dust are removed. The mop attachment helps to ensure that your floors are left sparkling clean, and the all-in-one design makes it ideal for tackling any surface with ease. With its versatility, the Eureka All-in-One Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner and Mop is the perfect cleaning solution for your home. The DreameTech M12 Smart Wet-Dry Vacuum and Handheld Vacuum Cleaner All-in-One is an innovative cordless vacuum cleaner designed to make cleaning hardwood floors easier and more efficient than ever before. This device utilizes a powerful motor to provide a powerful suction, while its ergonomic design allows for comfortable operation and maneuverability. This vacuum cleaner is also equipped with a long runtime battery, allowing for up to 30 minutes of continuous use. Additionally, its innovative design allows for both wet and dry vacuuming, as well as easy conversion between the two. The DreamTech M12 is also capable of tackling a variety of other surfaces, making it a great all-in-one solution for any home. The HiZero Bionic Hard Floor Cleaner is a powerful and versatile cordless electric mop that provides a quick and thorough clean with no suction needed. This lightweight, quiet machine features 4-in-1 cleaning capabilities, allowing you to sweep, mop, dry, and self-clean your hardwood floors with ease. Its advanced bionic cleaning technology uses 2 powerful scrubbing brushes to deep clean and polish your floors, while a large-capacity water reservoir allows you to clean and rinse multiple rooms in one session. This advanced floor cleaner also features an adjustable handle for comfortable use and a built-in water tank for easy refills. With its fast and efficient cleaning, the HiZero Bionic Hard Floor Cleaner is the perfect choice for keeping your home spotless. The Tinico Floor 1S7 Pro Smart Cordless Floor Cleaner is the perfect all-in-one cleaning solution for hard floors. With a powerful suction and long run time, this wet/dry vacuum cleaner and mop can quickly and efficiently clean up sticky messes and pet hair. The LCD display allows you to easily monitor the cleaning progress and customize the cleaning settings. Plus, the centrifugal drying process helps keep your hard floor surfaces dry and free from water damage. With its advanced cleaning technology, the Tinico Floor 1S7 Pro is the perfect tool for keeping your hard floors clean and looking great. We hope this video has been helpful in finding the best wet-dry vacuum cleaner and mop. For more details, check out links at the description below the video. Enjoy your new purchase and happy cleaning!